Tired of complicated and expensive ways to send money back home? Let's ditch the stress and show you how to send money from the UK to Pakistan using Remitly. It's fast, secure, and super easy. First, download the Remitly app or head to Remitly's website. If you're new, tap Join Now to create your account, enter your email address, create a strong password, and select the United Kingdom as your country of residence. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. This usually involves providing your address and date of birth. Remitly might also ask for a photo of your ID, like your passport or driving license. This is to keep your money safe. Now, let's set up your recipient. Tap Send to and select Pakistan. You'll need their full name as it appears on their ID, their address, and their phone number. Choose how they'll receive the money: Euro bank deposit or mobile wallet. If you're sending to a bank, you'll need the bank name and your recipient's account number or IBAN. For mobile wallets, simply enter their mobile wallet number. Enter the amount you want to send in GBP. Remitly will automatically show you the exchange rate and any fees. You can often choose between economy and express options. Euro Express is faster but usually has higher fees. Choose your payment method. You can use a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Enter your card details or follow the instructions for a bank transfer. Double check all the details on the review screen. Make sure the recipient's information, the amount, and the payment method are all correct. Once you're happy, hit confirm and send. You'll receive a confirmation with a transaction ID. Your recipient will also receive a notification when the money arrives, and that's it. You've successfully sent money from the UK to Pakistan with Remitly. Now you can send money safely and quickly.